Hello, this is the 10th, I'm the last in this row of the presentations of the Island Batik Ambassadors. This is the 10th year of the program and my 6th year, and I need to tell you that I'm very honored to be for the 6th year ambassador for this amazing company, and amazing not for their fabrics, on just for the fabrics, but also for the whole cooperation we have had all this year. I received my 2 boxes. I'm going to show you what I have received. First of all, of course, I have opened them. I couldn't resist. I received a very nice card because they came, they arrived just before Christmas. This is my card. I'm going to start from the fabrics. First of all, I wanted to tell you a few words about this quilt. Maybe I have shown it to you before, but this is the last time I have here the quilt. It's going to be gifted to my friend's son who married 3 months ago. It's a pattern by Laura Pai, who used to be an Island Batik ambassador also. So, and the fabrics I used here are assorted, not a specific collection. And my favorite, of course, colors. Okay, let's start. This, okay, similar to some of them, but it's a new collection. It's going to be presented, it's fall 22. The collection is Princess Rose, and it's designed by Kathy Engel. I think it's half yard, yeah, as usual, half yard, and from the whole collection, and 2 assorted 2 yards cut of neutral and dark fabric that coordinate both of them with this collection. I'm going to use it in February project, and you will see them then. This is the surprise package. It's Winter 22 collection, and I'm going to use it on my May project, May block hop, and on February there is a block hop also. Where are they? What did I say? Oh, I got 4 of them for fall 2022. Maybe this is for winter. I don't know. I haven't opened them. Let's say, because every year I think there are 2 of them. Then we have the usual bundle of batik foundations, and not only batik. I also have some plains here, also half yard. This is my favorite from the batik. It's very unusual color, I think. It's teal, but It fits with many other colors together. Let's see what else we have here. 2 yards from those two colors. Black, white and grey, 4 yards each. This is also a very convenient color, except from white and black, of course, that fit everywhere. I haven't got so far this neutral. It's 6 yards. Muslin is the color. I like it. It's the first time I'm getting it. I think that this year Island Batik are more generous than the other years. We've got 3 stash builders. You know, they are strips of 6, I think, 5 inches, of 5 inches. The width is 5 inches, and the length is the width of fabric. Very nice colors, as you see. I love them very much because they fit very nice with Haiku quilt dies. We've got 2, I think this is layer cake. The name is layer cake. This collection is naturally neutral. Very useful. And this is Royal Crown. Then we have 2 pieces. This is the gradation batik that come in strips. I'm going to use it for my June project for sure, because I have designed it already. And this is winter 2022 pre-cuts. Let it snow. I love them. I love all my fabrics so much. Our refill color builder. It's a box with 3 coordinating. No, this way. No. Wrong way to open it. Here we go. And we have, can you see, there are 3 coordinating threads, but those 2 are variegated. They are going to be used for April project, which will be a crazy pattern. And for box number 1. And now Hobbs, as generous as always, sent us a queen size 80/20 black color. It's very nice for dark colors. If you have a dark background, black background, it's better to use this one. This is also Queen 80/20 bleached. I love the 80/20 is my favorite quality. This is cotton batting, also my favorite, cotton premium, also queen size. I love them very much. This is premium polyester. Also very nice, all of them are very nice to and very easy to work with them. Queen size, all 4 of them. And last but not least, Schmetz Needles sent us, let me see, this is the guide, because Schmetz Needle have a color guide on them, you may see. So if you have taken out of the box, you can still recognize the number they have, the size they have, and also if there are universal or top stitch or quilting, because they have 2 colors, and according to them you can identify, I got the right word. Let's see here, ignore the phone please. It's an alarm, I don't know for what, but it's an alarm. It's the first time we get this. It's a customer pack of 10, consisting of 10 needles. Then we have vinyl needles. That's very interesting. Vinyl needles, you see? It's the first time I see them. And this is piecing and quilting needles in the same package. Quilting and piecing, Microtex and quilting. We have here a label to have it with the same guide to have it on hand. And here a small booklet with all the needles that Schmetz produces. That is sold. Okay. And finally, I have my ruler from Debbie Tucker Studio. I look forward to making something with a ruler. I haven't studied yet. I haven't yet studied what can I do with it, but you will see it in April, I think. So, big thank you for all of our sponsors, and to Island Batik, of course. Stay tuned to see what I'm going to make with all those beauties around me. Bye bye.